Now let us explain what is inversion of a permutation. So suppose you have a permutation sigma equal to 1, 2, 3, so on up to n. Then this is sigma 1, sigma 2 images, sigma 3 and so on up to sigma n. So first let us define inversion of a symbol I. Inversion of symbol I is denoted as inversion of I, which is equal to number of symbols less than sigma of I and right to sigma I. This is the definition of inversion of a symbol. See, inversion of 1, inversion of 2, inversion of 3, like that. Inversion of 1 means number of symbols less than sigma of 1 and which are to the right of sigma of 1. Here if you have some value, you have to search for all those values to the right of this value which are less than sigma of I. You have to count those values. That gives you inversion of I. I'll explain with example. So inversion of the entire permutation sigma is nothing but sum of I equal to 1 to n minus 1 up to n minus 1, because to the right of n there is no value here. That's why up to n minus 1 inversion of I. If you add inversion of all symbols, then you will get inversion of a permutation. Let me explain this with an example. See, consider a permutation sigma of S6. See, this is given. You have to find out inversion of each symbol first, then inversion of a permutation. Inversion of 1. Inversion of 1 may you have to count number of symbols which are less than sigma of 1. What is sigma of 1? 2. Now, to the right, how many values you have which are less than 2? Only 1. So, inversion of 1 is 1. Next, inversion of 2 equal to, where 2 maps to? 2 maps to 6. You have to, this is the value now. Sigma of 2 is 6. You have to search for values which are less than 6 to the right. So every value is less than 6 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. You have to count them. That count has to be written here. That is inversion. Next, inversion of 3. What is sigma of 3? 1. Which value is less than 1 here to the right? No value is lesser than 1. So it is 0. Next, inversion of 4. What is sigma of 4? 4. Okay. To the right of this 4, how many values you have less than 4? Only one value. Inversion of 5. Inversion of 5 equal to sigma of 5 is 3. No value less than 3 to the right. Therefore, it is 0. Inversion of 6 equal to, there is though sigma of 6 equal to 5, there is no any value to the right. So, it is always 0. Therefore, inversion of this permutation equal to, add all these values, 1 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0, that gives you 6. And this inversion can be used to find the signature of a permutation. The relation between signature and inversion is that signature of this permutation equal to minus 1 to the power inversion of this permutation. So, minus 1 to the power now 6, which is plus 1. So, signature of this permutation equal to plus 1. So, based on the signature, you can tell the nature of this permutation. If signature is plus 1, it is even permutation, and if signature is minus 1, it is odd permutation. So, now this permutation is even permutation. So, this is how we calculate inversion of a permutation.